Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel again. This is Mikate and on today's video I'm gonna show you how to enable parental controls on YouTube. So without any further ado, let's proceed. First of all, open the YouTube app on your device and make sure they're logged into your account where you wanna set up the parental control. From the bottom right corner, you will see a profile icon that says you. So tap on there, you will land on this page. Now again from the upper right corner of your screen, you will see the settings icon. Tap on settings and again you will land on settings page. From here at the top of the list that says general, tap on general and in here scroll all the way down, you will see restricted mode. So to hide the potentially mature videos, you have to turn on the toggle that says restricted mode. Once you turn on that, you have enabled parental control on YouTube. Now for more measure, you can also use the YouTube Kids. For that, you can simply install the YouTube Kids from the Play Store. So open the Play search bar, search for YouTube Kids and install the YouTube Kids. Once it get installed, open the app. From here you can get the parental control. If you tap on I'm a parent, go forward by clicking on the arrowhead and in here you have to enter your date of birth. Again tap on confirm. Again go ahead by clicking on this arrowhead and there answer all the questions and then again tap on select. Then it will provide you a chore. If you are done with that, simply tap on done and then again tap on I agree. So you have set up the parental controls on this YouTube Kids as well. So from here also you can set up the parental control on YouTube. So this is how you can simply enable parental control on YouTube. I hope this video helped you and do not forget to subscribe, like and hit the notification bell icon so that you may get further updates from our channel. I hope this video helped you and thanks for watching again. I will see you on next tutorial.